stick it here. Oh, I'm messing it up more. So yumuşama, as we learned, yumuş yumuş means soft, yumuşa, yumuşamak means to get soft, yumuşama, and this turns verbs into nouns. So this means softening. Examples by using I. I wanted to talk about something here. We have a city named Tokat. It literally means slap. So when we talk about Tokat, like Tokat'ı gördüm, I saw Tokat, meaning the city, you again use this as I used in my name, Serra'yı or Serra'nın. Alright, I use Tokat'ı. While writing, I spell it like this, but while I'm saying it, I say Tokat'ı. And when I talk about a regular slap, I also soften the T. A, and we use U, we know this, and T turns into D. Ağaç means tree. So ağaç. Why? Because A, U, and Ç turns into C, T turns into D, K turns into yumuşak G generally, and what else? P turns into B. So now it's easier. Kurt means wolf, and we say the wolf. How? The only vowel is U, so we use U, obviously, so it becomes kur, du, because T gets softened. Be careful. Ketchup. Ketchup. This is the code. Sebep, reason. Sebebi. E gets E, and P turned into B. Gök. Gökyüzü, same thing. Gök, sky. So gök, kü, this turns into yumuşak G and becomes gü. So uç means edge. Uç is similar. Uç. So, oops, you put the dot here, Sarah. So uçu becomes ucu. I say take the uç. How do we say it? Uçu al, but ç turns into c. Al means take. T turned into D, Ç turned into C, T turned into D, and uç turned into C, and it got U, K turned into şakke, P turned into B. Okay, here is something interesting. Here, sertleşme, tokadı, hak etti. It means he, she, or it deserved the tokat. Tokat is slap. The slap is tokadı, as we know. Hak means right, but hak etmek is the verb form meaning to deserve something. And T is the past tense suffix, but it's actually D. It can be D, do, as here. But here, T. Why? Because that's kind of the opposite of yumuşama. It's sertleşme. Sert means hard. Sertleşmek means to get hard, and me is ing, like, hardening. Hardening examples. When a word which ends with one of the letters below, F, S, T, K, Ç, Ş, H, P. This is our ketchup here, and there's extra Ş, S, and F. If a word ends with one of these, and when that word gets a suffix that starts with the soft consonants, B, J, D, G, here, B, J, D, G, soft consonants, hard consonants, the first letter of the suffix turns into hard consonants. So let's look at them. So here I'm going to be answering my friend's actual question too. Tezgah means counter. Dan is the suffix meaning from, and I have a story to tell here. It was like a year ago. I sent my boyfriend a screenshot, and it was a notification from Snapchat which said I saved him as my boy, and my boy Dan, which means it's from my boy. Okay, so notification said that, and his name is Danilo. and he thought that I have multiple boys. So this was my boy Dan, and here's my boy, I don't know, Sash. So it's a funny story. You use from when you're going out of somewhere, like it's also called the separating suffix. So that suffix could really cause a breakup, a separation, so you can keep in mind like that. So tezgahtan means from tezgah. And here, he is a hard consonant, and when it sees a soft consonant, it turns into a hard one. So tezgah tan. Dolap means locker. Dolap da means in, at, on. In Turkish we only use da. Dolapta, it's in the locker. It's in the locker. Dolap ta. P in our ketchup, as you remember, ketchup, and FST, P turns D into T. Okay. Uç, edge, we learn it. It also got softened, but it also makes something go hard, like D turns into T here. Uçta, it's in the edge. So soğuk, dan. So dan suffix is also used as because of something. So soğuktan, because of the cold. K, it's a hard consonant, we know it. Soğuktan, because of the cold. Not dan, but tan. D turned into T. Bardak, da. K here, bardak means glass. This is cold. Bardakta, it's in the glass, bardak ta, not bardak da, but ta, because it's easier to say. Bulut means cloud. I love clouds too. Buluttan, from the cloud. The rain comes from the cloud. So bulut dan, not dan, but tan. So te makes de turn into te too. It makes it similar to itself. So yes, that was it. Tokadı. Here we see it softening. Here we see hardening. So here are some more examples of yumuşama, softening, but using another suffix, which is tu in Turkish, like to school, going to school. Okul means school, okulla, to school. Okay? So this is another haleki, and these are also haleki. It lets us know about the condition of nouns, position of nouns, what they are doing. Are they separating or are they staying there? So this says I'm going towards there, towards, to, e and a. It's very simple. So how do we know which one to use? A, I, O, U gets dan, da, and a. But E, I, Ö, U gets den, de, and e. What do I mean here? Check the last vowel and decide which one to use. It's easier than the first one, then it's easier than this one. So göke, gök means sky, göke, to the sky, göve, K turned into soft G. Let me use another colored pencil. Huge. K turned into soft G. Çocuk means kid. To the kid, çocuğa. So K turns into yumuşak G and becomes this. So you know which one to add, like, let me write here. A, I, O, U gets A. And E, I, Ö, U gets E. So let's give an example here too. Kalem, E. To the kalem, we checked the last vowel E, and E gets E. Koltuğa. Koltuk means couch. To the couch, koltuğa, and yumuşak G, K turned into yumuşak G. Kağıt means paper. To the paper, kağıtta. Kağıtta. Why did we use A? Because I gets A, and T turned into D, and it got softened here. Yeah. Yes. So that was it about softening and hardening.